Muslim boys' names starting with A with meanings in English. Part 1. Anas, meaning hearing the voice, listening. Name of a Sahabi of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him. Origin Arabic. Aadam, meaning name of the Prophet Aadam. Origin Arabic. Agha, meaning the ruler. Origin Arabic. Akif, meaning attributed, connected. Origin Arabic. Amil, meaning effective labor. Origin Arabic. Aameen, meaning Aameen at the end of a prayer. Origin Arabic. Aka, meaning teacher. Origin Arabic. Aaron, meaning exalted one. Origin Arabic. Asal, meaning evening time, real, pure. Origin Urdu. Asil, meaning intense attack. Origin Urdu. Etazaz, meaning be dear, spread. Origin Arabic. Azad, meaning autonomous, uncensored. Origin Arabic. Azam, meaning high, powerful. Origin Arabic. Az, meaning strong, dear. Origin Arabic. Abaan, meaning clean, clear. Origin Arabic. Abab, meaning healthy, tall. Origin Arabic. Ababil, meaning a bird. Origin Arabic. Abdar, meaning successful. Origin Arabic. Abakhter, meaning planet north. Origin Arabic. Abaan, meaning name of an angel. The 8th month in Persian. Origin Arabic. Abanjer, meaning long, good. Origin Arabic. Aban, meaning long, strong, powerful. Origin Arabic. Abarwand, meaning above all, the first, the most. Origin Arabic. Abaar, meaning strong, stable. Origin Arabic. Aobud, meaning God's man. Origin Arabic. Abdaal, meaning managing, arranging, management. Origin Arabic. Abhaar, meaning sea. Origin Arabic. Abiyah, meaning beautiful, happy. Origin Arabic. Ablag, meaning more perfect, very efficient. Origin Arabic. Abkar, meaning charming, fairy. Origin Arabic. Abraham, Abraham in English, name of a prophet. Origin Arabic. Abrak, meaning more. Origin Arabic. Abrar, meaning good people, pious people. Origin Arabic. Abraz, meaning most importantly, the most specific. Origin Arabic. Abriz, meaning pure gold. Origin Arabic. Absar, meaning watch, eyes. Origin Arabic. Abdaal, meaning brave. Origin Arabic. Abyaz, white, meaning white. Origin Arabic. Ada, meaning to perform. Origin Arabic. Adar, meaning fire, fireworks, sparks. Origin Persian. Adib, meaning writer. Origin Arabic. Adam, meaning very dark. Origin Arabic. Adwam, meaning the most durable. Origin Arabic. Adiyan, meaning a good mufti, religious. Origin Arabic. Ejaz, meaning miracle. Origin Urdu. Afkhim, meaning greatest. Origin Arabic. Afdaal, meaning beautiful, lovely. Origin Arabic. Afghan, meaning one who defeats. Origin Persian. Afham, meaning understanding, wisdom, consciousness. Origin Arabic. Abarwand, meaning greatness. Origin Persian. Disclaimer: this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Please like and share this video tutorial. If you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. Aibn.